He said what?
He said, kiss me outside.
Hello, my partiers. It is your girl Tiffany back at you again with another video. And today I am at Amaya's house, and me and Amaya are setting up our Christmas candy buffet. We have set it up, you guys. So we're gonna give you a sneak peek. Okay, Amaya, tell everybody hi.
Hi.
Are we gonna show them our candy table?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Buffet. Our Christmas candy buffet. And Amaya, you want to show them what we have on our candy table? Okay, what are you going to show them? First thing. What are they?
Cookies.
I can't hear you.
Cookies.
Cookies? Okay, Amaya's, we got cookies on here. Those are your favorite? Okay, what else? Show them what else is on the table. Okay, what are those? Little candy bags that we have. Okay, then we got the gingerbread men, people that I made. Okay, me and Amaya's Dum Dum Christmas trees. We got another mailbox, right, Amaya? And whose letter is in there? Yours, right? Your letter to Santa? Okay. We got some peppermints, you guys. We got some fruities. Let me get up. Let me show you guys these cookies. Cookies. And we got so much stuff, we gotta put it at the back of the table. More candy. Marshmallows. Candy cane marshmallows. Pretzels. Okay, anything else you want to show them, Maya? Okay, you guys, so this is our Christmas candy table. And you guys remember to like, comment, and subscribe to...
Channel.
Subscribe to what, Maya?
Channel.
Our channel. Okay, and I will party with you guys next time. Bye.
Oh, goodness. I'm pretty use this back here.
It's kiss me also. How about that?